Hey guys, good morning and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. Today we're in New Jersey and this is actually the day of the workshop. So we sold out, we have about 12 students and we are gonna go to the studio from Neil from Nieuwkerk. There's only one problem. It rains. And we were planning on doing one part outside and one part inside. So this whole week it's been like 30 degrees centigrade and it's been really hot and a lot of sun. And now it rains. Hey, the Dutch are here. So let's hope that this afternoon, when we are doing the outside shoots, it's a little bit more dry. So join us for today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button, because we really like that. Let's go. Okay, we arrived at Neil van Nieuwkerk studio. It's in a beautiful building. Let's just turn around so you guys can see this. It's a beautiful building. A little bit rough, so that's what I really like. Last year we actually also did some outside shoots, but again, with this kind of weather, I don't know if we can make it, but at least we have a great location inside, and also the rest of the building is pretty interesting, so we'll be fine, you know. That's why I never planned something, because if I would have planned an all outside shoot, well, I would have been in trouble. So we just go with the flow, and we just go with what the students want. Start with a Q&A, see what everybody wants, and then build the workshop from there. So join us. Let's go inside. saw your name?
No, we were like, why?
Yay! And that was the workshop in Little Falls, New Jersey. We will be back next year without any doubt. We love it here. And believe it or not, it's still raining. Feels like home.